Hey guys, so here's part 3 of the 8.1 notes. So the last 3 examples we talked about interior angles of a polygon. Now we're going to be talking about exterior angles of a polygon. So it says the sum of the measures of the exterior, remember that means outside the polygon, of a convex polygon, one angle at each vertex, is 360 degrees. So we add up all the outside angles, they will add up to 360. Okay, so that's what it just represents. So no matter how many sides you have of a polygon, all the outside angles will always add up to 360 degrees. So now let's go and use this information to do example 4. So we're going to find the value of x in the diagram shown. So we're going to use that polygon exterior angle theorem to write and solve for the equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to add up all the outside angles. So we have x plus 89 plus 85 plus 2x. And remember, every single time, all the outside angles will always add up to 360. Now, let's combine our like terms. So I'm going to combine x and 2x, so that gives me 3x. And then I'm going to combine 89 and 85. So that's going to give me about 174. And that will equal 360. Now it's a multi-step equation. So I'm going to subtract 174 from both sides. So I get 3x equals 186. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So I get x equals 62. And that's going to be my final answer. Okay, let's go ahead and do example 5. Now this is going to be talking about both interior and exterior angles, but of regular polygons. And we're going to talk about what is a regular polygon. Okay? So example 5, it says the base of a lamp is in the shape of a regular 15-gon. Find first the measure of each interior angle, and then B, the measure of each exterior. Now, what is a regular polygon? Let's talk about that. Well, what a regular polygon means is that all the sides are congruent. So remember, that's the sign for congruent. And all the angles, both interior and exterior, are congruent. So they're the same measurement. So anytime it talks about a regular polygon, that means all the angles have the same measurement. And that means all the inside angles have the same measurement, and then all the outside angles have the same measurement. Okay? So let's talk about A first. Okay? So remember, in order to know the interior, we first have to know the sum. So we're going to do the sum equals n minus 2 times 180. So remember, in this case, it's going to be 15, because that's how many sides of a 15-gon has. So we have 15 minus 2 times 180. So I go ahead and do 15 minus 2 to give me 13 times 180. And that's going to give us 2,340. Now remember, that's the sum of the interior. We want to find each individual interior angle. So to do that, I'm going to take my 2,340 and divide it by how many sides of the polygon. In this case, it's 15. So that means each inside angle or each interior angle is going to be 156 degrees. Now, I'm going to do something similar. For B, we are finding each individual exterior. So remember, all the exterior angles, the sum is going to be 360. So that's what we just did. We found the sum, then divided by the number of sides. So our sum is 360. And then we're going to divide by the number of sides of this polygon, which is 15. So that means each exterior angle is going to be 24 degrees. Okay? Okay, make sure if you have any questions if you have any questions basically over the homework or over these notes, you contact me, and make sure you do work on the homework assignment. I'll see you guys later.